Introduction to Financial and Legal Documentation Processes. Understanding legal and financial documentation processes, especially those involving court systems and clerical procedures, requires a solid grasp of key terms and the ability to interpret legal principles effectively. The complexities of dealing with bankruptcy courts, clerks, and related documentation often pose challenges. This guide aims to break down these concepts into an educational framework, offering actionable insights to navigate these processes confidently. Role of the clerk of the court in bankruptcy processes. The clerk of the court serves as a pivotal figure in managing and processing legal documents. Unlike judges, clerks are responsible for the administrative and procedural aspects of court cases. Key responsibilities include filing bailment claims, issuing writs of execution or restitution, maintaining records of court filings and actions. It is essential to approach the clerk of the court with properly prepared documents, as this ensures the seamless processing of claims and minimizes administrative delays. Bailment and its implications in legal contexts. Bailment refers to the transfer of assets or property to another party, the bailee, under specific conditions, while retaining ownership rights. In the context of bankruptcy court processes, understanding bailment is crucial. Key points include: your assets may have been registered as bailments through instruments such as certificates of live birth or other governmental filings. Claiming your bailments requires precise documentation and adherence to procedural guidelines. Steps to reclaim bailments. To reclaim bailments, follow these steps. Prepare a cover letter, addressed to the clerk of the court. This letter outlines your request to reclaim your bailments. Draft writs of execution and restitution. These writs direct entities such as U.S. Marshals or the Secret Service to act on your behalf. Submit copies. Ensure all copies of your documentation are timestamped and properly filed with the court and relevant entities. The importance of language and terms. Understanding legal and financial terminology is non-negotiable in these processes. Misinterpretation of terms such as bailment, adverse claim, or quasi-corporation can lead to procedural errors. Recommended actions include consulting multiple dictionaries, including law-specific resources like Black's Law Dictionary and Oxford Universal Dictionary. Familiarizing yourself with terms like green, indicating living or active status, and red, indicating dead or inactive status. Practical tips for filing. Delivery. Whenever possible, hand deliver your documents to ensure they are processed promptly. If not feasible, use certified mail with tracking. Receipts. Always obtain receipts for any documents submitted to verify delivery and acknowledgement. Review. Periodically review court filings and correspondence to stay informed about the status of your case. Overcoming challenges. Navigating these processes can be daunting due to bureaucratic hurdles and the opacity of legal systems. Strategies to overcome challenges include networking with knowledgeable individuals or groups for guidance, staying persistent and organized in filing and tracking documentation, relying on factual evidence and clear, concise communication to address disputes or misunderstandings. Conclusion. Effective navigation of legal and financial documentation processes demands preparation, understanding, and persistence. By mastering the roles of court personnel, the significance of bailments, and the precise use of language, individuals can reclaim their assets and rights efficiently. Approach these tasks methodically, ensuring compliance with procedural requirements and leveraging available resources to your advantage. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.